for the Chevelle fans to check out. It's a 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle two-door hardtop that has underwent a 2-year restoration process, and it shows. 350 crate V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Holley EFI system on it. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome up front. Bright work, grille, headlights, surrounds, everything looking good. I'd say it's kind of a medium to dark gray metallic paint. It's stunning in this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on Krager SS chrome wheels. We have Goodrich radial tires, slotted and drilled rotors behind there if you look closely. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Look at how straight these panels are. That paint is laid on there nice and even. Custom interior, we're going to get to that in just a bit. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Kind of a cloth vinyl combination, bucket seat, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. Does have MagnaFlow mufflers on it. Again, full restoration done within over a 2-year span. Has what classic instrument gauges, I believe it was in it. Odometer shows about 2,500, 2,600 miles, obviously, since those were installed. I did it column, Donovan Sharp's wheel. Again, the custom interior. Wiring was all done during the restoration, so new wiring, all new glass. Has only used AMSOIL products for lubricants since it was restored. Also has adjustable control arms. We're going to pop the hood open, take a look at the engine bay, let you hear it run. We're also going to drive it at the very end of the video, so stick around. Let's take a look up and down this driver's side first. And if you like Chevelles, or maybe just like muscle cars in general, sports cars, classic cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. If you just like checking out cars, make sure you subscribe to that. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase on our website and or off our showroom floor. If you can make it see us in person, we love that. All right, let's take a look at this interior door panels. New carpeting, new seating. As you can see, we have a clear floor mat over the floor mat. Check out the still pictures. Since I'm going to be getting in and out of this car, I want to leave it like it is right there. So interior just as nice as the exterior. This one will not disappoint. Of course, a tilt column. Let's check out these gauges I mentioned earlier. So yes, classic instruments gauges. And there's the miles, since they're installed 25.57, 2,557. Tack in the middle, and then a cluster with your temp, fuel, oil pressure, volts. Retro sound style radio, that is working. Let's go ahead and turn the key on. And remember, we're fuel injected here, so we're just going to let that run the fuel pump and get the pressure up. Fan, or a K-fan's actually a station, not the fan. But
yeah. You know, I like to see what happened.
Stereo working. There is a controller for the EFI in the glove box. Let's go and fire this up. As you can see, tack is working. Just going to drop back down here in a second. It's like the fuel gauge, oil pressure. That was a cold start, so I expect temp to be up both here. And yes, remember AC blows cold. Good looking dash, steering wheel with the headliner. Wow. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, local shows. This one will take home some trophies, there's no doubt about that. Slip around the back. Sounds as good as it looks. Great stance to this car too. All right, slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second so I can get this hood open. Take a look at the engine bay. All right, underside of the hood. I think this engine bay is going to look as good as the rest of the car. Look at that. Wouldn't be ashamed to have your hood open at a car show with this one. Again, Crate 350. That Holley EFI sniper system on it. Power steering, power brakes, tubular control arms, adjustable aluminum radiator. Nice, clean, tidy setup. See, AC compressor. They routed the hoses nice and clean. It's a beauty, folks. Stick around a little bit longer. We're going to take this thing for a drive. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle 2-door hardtop that has underwent a 2-year restoration process. It's a beauty. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle. One of the nicer Chevelles I've ever driven. We've got modern gauges. We've got a retro sound style radio in the dash. That is working well. Smooth running car. Everything appears to be working on our gauges. This is an automatic right on the center console. Great rumble to that exhaust. Very nice acceleration in this car. Beautiful inside and out. Cloth centers on the seats. Aftermarket bucket seats. They're very comfortable. Just a slight wind whistle from the right front quarter window. It is nice to have those butterfly wing windows. I do miss those. You don't even need air, and this does have air. Power brakes working very well. Under the hood of this car, I took a look at that, just as clean as the paint on the outside. Very nice. Very well done. Nice throttle response. This car corners well, doesn't lean too much, easy to steer. You can feel that throttle pulling you along. Very fun to hit the accelerator in this car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 64 Chevelle at UniqueClassicCars.com.